Okay, so here's a question from Reddit Legal Advice. My wife scratched a guy's car while parking. Literally a scratch, not even a dent. He was not injured. A few months ago, we learned that he is claiming to have bodily injuries and wants $1 million. My questions are, 1, the guy did not get hurt. Can he realistically get a judgment for $1 million? 2, my insurance covers the state minimum requirements. If they get a judgment above the insurance, can they go after my personal assets? First of all, if you have insurance, your insurance company is going to hire a lawyer to defend you in this case and pay any verdict or settlement up to your policy limits. So you indicated you've got state minimum policy limits. In Georgia, that would be $25,000. So they would pay up to $25,000 of a verdict or a settlement against you. If this fellow really was not injured, he's not going to get $1 million. For whatever reason, some lawyers think, a lot of them are on billboards and TV, that it's a really good idea to ask for things like $1 million in the lawsuit, even in a small injury case. Why do they do that? I think maybe they're hoping that you don't answer the lawsuit, the insurance company doesn't answer the lawsuit, then they can get a default judgment against you. But if they actually answer the lawsuit, then your lawyer, the insurance company's lawyer, gets to say, why are we here in court, ladies and gentlemen of the jury? It's because they want $1 million for a scratch on my car. I think I know who's going to win that case, y'all. If he's really not hurt and it's really just a scratch on the paint, it's not $1 million case and you don't need to worry about that. But let's say that you go to trial and for whatever reason, there is a verdict for more than your $25,000 policy limits. You would indeed be on the hook for that extra money. And so that is why, if there is really a chance that there is going to be a verdict for more than your policy limits, you should tell the insurance company that you want them to settle the case and protect your assets. If the insurance company is given the opportunity to settle the case for your policy limits and they do not do that, and then there's a verdict for more than your policy limits, the insurance company is then potentially responsible for failure to settle your case. And they can be on the hook for the entire verdict. But as long as you tell the insurance company you want them to protect your assets and that you want them to settle the case, and they're given the opportunity to settle the case and they don't, then your assets should be safe.